Hey guys, so today I've got y'all a very popular Konkani fish fry recipe, that is Goan style stuffed pomfret fry. It's a must try seafood recipe, so do watch this entire video. So firstly, you have to wash and clean the pomfret fish very well, and then you can make a vertical slit on the side of the fish so that we can form a pocket wherein we can stuff the masala. Also chop out the head and the tail portion. So now we will marinate the fish. For this you will need half tablespoon of salt, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of kokum juice. You can also use lemon juice. So mix all these masalas well and then marinate the fish with the masala paste. Now let's make the masala for stuffing. For this you will need half cup of coconut, grated coconut, then a handful of coriander leaves, 4 to 5 garlic pods, half inch of ginger, 4 to 5 peppercorns, half lemon juice and some cinnamon sticks around half inch. Grind these ingredients well and make a smooth paste. Now stuff the fish with the masala paste. You have to stuff the masala paste into the pockets that we have formed. Now we will coat the fish with rava or semolina. You can also use rice flour. Now finally let's fry the fish. For this, take a tawa or a frying pan and heat some oil on it and add your marinated fish. You need to fry this fish for 7 or 8 minutes on medium flame till the fish is crispy golden brown in color. Serve this hot stuffed pomfret fish fry with some salad and lemon veggies, or simply serve with Goan fish curry rice and enjoy. Also like and share this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes.